always looking for the same hit. But his sound is played, he forgot to change with the moving rhymes, no one feeling him. His rhymes ain't appealing anymore, and his records ain't selling shit. Now he's dropped from his label and he's going broke. Try to underground return, get old passport vote. And the same faces that he dissed on his way to the top laughed as they rushed him to the downstroke. Now the moral of the story is that some go blind with money, make the inner vision crumble. So if you're blessed with the talent, utilize it to the fullest. Be true to yourself and stay humble.
Money changer.
You feel the music down in your soul, then it grabbed you, and it wouldn't let go. It wasn't hip-hop back in the day at the jam that made you get down into a b-boy stance, and automatically you knew that this was the joint that other rappers would be studying you for points, and then magically you took control of the crowd, and so suddenly you up and running how. Then you realized it was the mic in your palm that hypnotized you into dropping the bomb. Got you open now, cause you're feeling the flow. Now you're bugging out, cause you're rocking the show. Fly honey dips, all up in your face, brothers with the whips, pumping your mixtapes is no coincidence. The way they respond on it, hold yourself now, and just get down on it. Let's do it. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's get down on it. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it down on it. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it down on it. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it down on it. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it. You know, let's do it down on it. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it down on it. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it.
You bust some moves, backflips and twists, your time is magical. To the sense and the kicks and all the while, the crowd is checking your style, but on the other side, the girls are giving you smiles, so just to know, at first you couldn't feel it yourself, but I know what you want to feel by
Non. Je vais recoller ça le camp l'eau. En plus, ça file.